Kakenun ke Jaj Riu Sikh nakasang Shrimoni Gurudwara Prabandhan Komiti Punjab hapo ke jingilam jung Additional Secretary Ubhawan Singh Sialka bat kising na thamyo molong menta kesni kila lej bania kendu yu menteri ketanat kampoyeng ke jela u James K Sangma hadin bekila kam bekila syak berngam ha kenhun seng haba kran hadin balemi naka kamra u James u Sialka ulong baka jinge kendu yu menteri ke Sorkar Meghalaya kalong hadin baglami ke jing syak berngam ye kisik basa atem motor hakikin hon nak ni kejela bala yatu bana kaliang home minister ul ag jingkular bak sorkar kan sim khya ya kan ni kam usialka ul ong bak sorkar kam de ban pen kenria ikibreu basa atem motor namar kide ki blasa nadu kisnem shejar praspa san phulai ndre kede ban ailad iki ban snai ki yeng ki babha namar kumba kalong menta kate ke jaka bekisa ke isaj met bha ul ong ru bak kashari Meghalaya high court ru kala ai rai shakaliang jong ki breu ki basa akte ke jaka Ndre ke jingpan sakhi ban pensisya da sorkar lingba ke Shillong Municipal Board kamya hap setia nomor katkum ke jingong jung kita ki breu kila yathu baki kot ki sla kila don lupa hak sorkar halor ke jingkli ki breu basa be anya ke jaka usal kya uloong baka SGPC kam don jing tip shapang ki breu basa be an ndre baro ki de ki ba klam shong be an mar kila shong slam hak ke jaka bat kila roy
worrying about local at 6 that they are afraid that some organization give threat to them. That's why we are coming here. Last year we are also coming for helping them. They are living there since 1853, near about 1,500 years. But now they are trying, some people or some organization, NGOs are trying to dislocate them, to dispossess them. These are the reasons behind we are coming here and we met Mr. Just from the intervention from the side of Shrimoni Gurudwara Committee, the parliamentary body of the Sikh religion. DGSP जो आ रहे हैं वो अब मिलेंगे आज होम मिनिस्टर्स यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर से मिलेंगे Home Minister showed us that there is nothing to be wrong with these people. They also showed that they try to settle the issue with their all means the government. They also assured us that these people who are living there since about 1853, and they are voter of the local constituency, even the parliament election or assembly election since 1954, and they are also always they are consensus in the they are always in the consensus. They are always counted in that consensus with their profession, with their business, with their other means of employment.